Hello, I am Irache and I'm going to do a carrot cake. The ingredients are 3 eggs, 1 natural yogurt Danone, 125 milliliters of oil, 200 grams of flour, 16 grams of baking powder, 4 carrots, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and this is agave syrup. It's much better than sugar because it's natural and you can throw that you want, and it uses to sweeten your meals and desserts. Now the syrup, the agave syrup, something like this, because it's very sweet but it's healthy. Okay, and now we mix. Now we add the yogurt, and the oil, and mix. We are going to shift the flour. The waste, the cinnamon. And we add all the flour, cinnamon, and waste. Now we are going to wait on the 4 carrots. When we have all the carrots grated, we add to the mixture. And we mix. It has to be like this. Now we put the mixture in a bowl. Now I am going to put the mixture in the oven with heat up and down 170 degrees.